for higher GC News, Mima Ubibia Kwaba, Hadia, latest and hot news, and Qua Anna Bremo. And so when you subscribe to channel, idea, Bomodia say, Uber subscribe. Yobayana say, Uber click the subscribe button. Now, Wabeli a year notification. We understand video for Frubia be upload. Also, once a can be. Afi we are now like video na give us a thumbs up na afi share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na wo hu ensemo a ekoso e wo Ghana me mu hanom afi yenti ye sansem ya ababetuja yenti sa report yi.
I know what has to say, more than when you left it. So big brother, a hand that has feed you before you don't bite it. You don't bite it. You say something about Baba. They flew on the 7th of January. What are them? Who they make Baba bread? Said your chairman for be any pain for being yes, you are going to face a kufa 1-on-1. Hey, they say now. Nipa ba kombe tuning tam kra. Hey, abronye. Bono chairman. Bono chairman. President. Umutu. And me hona me free. Bono na. What chairman? You nyami ni abronye. Musia bono musisa. Every wo season. One say. What? It do baby kasaba sabasa rough. No, problem. So the new patriotic party is not the same NPP we are seeing today. They need factory settings. They need factory settings. But be a party they need people who can sacrifice and show commitment and dedication for the party. I'm telling you as a brother. And the NPP say, come on, you can be good within 2 days. Now, what you also can do anti.
No, me dance anyway. First of all, I want to meet radio. That's saying now, where will be? Kwame, you promise if you want to meet TV.
I'm afraid, me say, so now we can. So, where MPP flag bears are president, I mean, man, quite every year. Mahmoud, I'm young, cause a bit my catches or a Paul Guda. Now, Bank of Ghana, the $12 billion, Abasi and Fanya, and I make us all an ebbe from one. Now, for Mako Pimu, not done a white elephant. Mahmoud, I'm a catch us the fundamentals are weak, SNU to expose you, now a bassa. Mahmoud, I'm young, $1 cost 17 Ghana cities. So, this kind of stuff, them more. No office, who we are more. I could find them to swam about. This is me. Now, honorable Ken, Babe yet. And Shabula. Message is Siano. Hey, so honorable Ken Ebeye MPP flag bearer. Na me man ko have kwanya bone. Hey. Me can do now. Me message honorable Ken Ebeye MPP flag bearer. Na say obey president na man ko have na. Hey, Shabula sisi. Me say so honorable Ken so be MPP flag bearer say be president na me man ko have na nye. But say Kenya pon be president here area. And I'm not also me too and no actually I'm quite be at me too. So yes, all that correct class of crowd and you class. Yes. I don't want to see presidency. Can Japan presidency? Now what instill discipline? I will mind him. A Juma Enyo, no one creating jobs. I'm a gun and mobile in the eye. Say go be a word Juma for free education and be brew be. Oh, I said I'm saying go be a my papa Diano. He doesn't care about free education. Kobiana the enlightened, well educated. No more economy national man for Jack at your papa. Nipa professor on the Bible school on one casa paper. What is free education? What other areas? That doesn't come from free education now. High school in oh, the abandoned provided buses at the ball form and Krabeco. Now President Kuford or mind be a Bobusia. Now Bobu said the free education. The full get if you have a baby, no sir, educated full package, they full book boarding, print, hey. Let's say that one goes to a wonder and come and man including or my man shelter and Timanin free and school, not free. Now, I deal in Sweden, I got a way. I know me. Now, Franco, yes, sir. Wow, boss. But there's no more Yaku said, no, you, JFK. Kaki to a big cow for key MPP UK chairman. Sir, can send some one thing. I didn't hear. Was say Kabi or the buyer? Say, or more donate my party. No, now they will come for the cast. Nobody a party in the Juma. And I'm so here comes in the park. Could the move from the office of the standard affairs? Not on Mumbai UK branch the bar because UK branch say MP motivating consumer here. On Pekaya Mukai. After the now, so more the car donate here. I was said, on the Uber. Now, my foul say, oh, an Uber driver. I don't have privacy. I was like, campaigns with the off road be no. I don't dance. But we say, Mahama in a position. Ultimate talk cars 276 constituency or extra ones, a dinner cheap. Na cars in year 2024. Na MPP. What your bam? Na BC winning cars. Until I say what trouble you. PC car in your mother call you. na mo ba ba mo bobra enya won what my human so ticket na se na yen kan bi o mo boa
me I'm not surprised no me akoko so no I'm not surprised the bia na me ka semba akotcho se MPP for na kwa akopem omo kopem ya they will come and say the truth and they will make sure so mo akopem no mo nso maka no wo be back crack. Now things are starting popping up. They are unfolding stories and it will be coming. I'm telling you. Abo purpose matters on so akasa. Na na otia tuoso kokobi matters wa akasa. Ma chamanke matters wa akasa. It tells you ebe back crack. Obi abegene de baako. Many be mo so no na omo ya ben Congress. And so mo Congress. Say no. Ye fa John Mahama see so. And let me tell you one thing, Shaibu. The NPP, on the 6th of January, the NPP National Executives and the Council, they are going to meet.
6th of January?
Oh, yes. One, they want to look at the leadership of Parliament. So they basically they want to know who should become the minority leader, deputy minority leader, the chief whip, there is going to be a discussion on it. On the 7th of January, Mama Swafen, they will go back into a meeting. Take this from me. And what number issues?
Issues. Now, me perceive of a key video, but before so now leadership in Parliament. Wouldn't say Bernard Champo.
Yes,
it is or a lobby say.
Oh, me I know that me. Mamin Chero. Me see so with them. Me say MPP.
With them.
Though I'm a journalist, I see myself.
I see MPP before.
She said me a neutral journalist. I speak my more.
Former director
of Mfahu. Tesco Mfahu bra. Okay. Mfahu. Mamin ka samba konche
oja MPP.
Mamin ka mase so ojai. Me say ojai. Me say I'm a neutral journalist.
But when MPP,
me neutral.
That's a electoral commission for Toba, James or Toba. About Oma means the Matthew. Professor, you can say, James for Green Matthew. 2020 over changing percentage of 3 times. Nancy also declare Mama didn't know more. So what trouble, man?
I mean, some recollection of Moyen. I don't blame the woman. That recollection, I don't blame her. You know the person I blame?
No.
Mahmoud Bawumia are creating this kind of problems. And I only when he considered any defeat. And that day I said to myself, the handlers of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia are one. And especially I was surprised to see my own boss over there, Justin from Ponkodia, and then Kofono Mujirawa. They were behind the man, and the man coming out to concede defeat early. At that material moment, I will say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is a self-centered and selfish politician. Do you know why? Now I'm a class in which anytime I call for constituency Biano, or call so being Sapajan and I say, Montrabam Farmer will say, I met me a sham papa, I don't know money to fall into my pediatra. Now, as a leader and the commander in chief of the MPP, the forces of the MPP, they go for election. They are to bury now on the 8th of December, as early as 9 a.m. No, but Bontaba consider defeat. I can say the NPP has lost the election, and you concede. And yes, sir, I trust Mahmoud Bawumia is not a mature politician. Reason in say, go and check since 1996. Anytime you go for election, the parliamentary results don't joke with it. How many times you see a very presidential results? People are contesting it.
But parliamentary.
Out of 32 years. Out of 32 years. Now, the election petition, I come you pay. But out of the 32 years, Dodoanano is in relation to parliamentarian. If too close. If me I want to move Mahmoud Bawumia follow politics.
Everybody see. Mini Pabi. I don't want to say Obi. For say, and now 12. A board base 5. After ye MPP team now. Omko party omnyo omko Bawumia omnyo. Say I don't catch him say omon check. Osom ko humo cantonments omo she film including the president Nanado, party chairman, GFK, Bawumia himself, Federal Wari. And also monitor to go down on somebody monitor results say Bawumia lose. And Bawumia could concede defeat as early as 7 a.m. Don't do say may they meet my arrival at 7 me say you talk about on the 7th of December. On the 8th of December, as at 5:30 a.m., 5 a.m., 4 a.m. Now, what baby MPP team you wanna you And will be drawn attention say, I wish a cantonment so baby.
Cantonment.
Yeah, oh baby.
Cantonment
Or President Akufo-Addo. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Federal Ware. JFK. Stephen Tim. Was in the panel in the pool. Okwonu almost say Bawumia is going to concede defeat at 7 a.m. No Hamudino say, so do we know the number of parliamentary seats we have there be? Or I say, so me can because when leadership in United Team arrive, we say, Uncle consider who I am. Chama won't be rough.
Pedawukai, I'm going to choose my words. Yeah. Pedawukai, if it is true, Akufo-Addo is a diabolic person. If it is true,
yeah,
or a diabolic,
and information might be a free battle.
Oh,
and yet to her, Nipa say, Okodu feel that 7:30, Bawumia buy 8 Bawumia buy 9 boy. I had 9 day.
What do we make? I want to say, send your man for me who say we are creating problems for the MPP. No, if you see a can of credit,
yes.
Kisango from who say a can of credit, so they are close allies at the Jubilee House.
Yes.
Sanko funny and Kofa, me, I don't joke with them. Assembly of can be about 95 to 98% too realistic.
Yes.
Me, and 111 who's MPP for Lusabano. Do you know why?
Maybe.
Strong room honor. So when we be doing catch us the figures that are coming are not convincing. But we are looking on to the president, parliamentarian, then it's a foregone conclusion. Yeah. It's a foregone conclusion. Why did NPP stop collating the results around 9:30 p.m. to 10? Oh, maybe, sir. I'm asking you questions. Today, I'll prove to them say you have a lot of stuff about the money.
A man will be different soba. A tea was where now pro.
Yes,
now pro. A bit of a subi. So, the figures never know.
Oh, last easy. Enter me with some questions.
Yeah.
Omo collation. I didn't see a first almost so mulidia. A group by 9:30, 10, equal 11, 12. The collation of network in the Chipo. That collation, if you are not part of them, you will not get the figures.
Yeah.
They knew say they've lost the elections. They are tossing me. If Akufo-Addo catch a Mahmoud Bawumia on considering defeat earlier, Akufo-Addo is trying to be more diabolic and he's not a leader.
Yeah.
If it is true.
No leader, but no,
that be not here. He's not a leader. He doesn't think about the interests of the MPP. He thinks about his only interest.
That's what I didn't hear you call.
And there, you know, there be a mechanic. There be into bit because we are Japadi, but the Japadi will generate.
Yeah.
Leadership is about the kind of legacy you leave, the kind of blueprint that you leave. And I come and come on Tiasi. But almost by 17 years to our independence, we still mention Dr. Kwame. Send JB down quality don't go on Tiasi. But when it comes to the internal affairs of the New Patriotic Party, they say about it.
Yeah.
J. Akufo is no more the president of ABA, Ghana. Yeah. But he came from the inner quarters of the MPP. Still MPP for who are DBA. So always they talk to him.
Yeah.
And the Akufo person chairman so on your experience to the point he say, at that time on parliamentary results no
Omukasa as at 7 a.m. Ubi okato ni see to do when you be robo.
And you know what is it? What is it? The odie me no munya.
As asara na nye settle of adanse for me na.
Yes, and mestre. Odie, I disagree. Shabu.
Uncle.
Jadi kind. Leadership of parliament. Nipa ba kwa is setting a time bomb now. Afenoma case.
Otherwise,
take this from me. Afenoma case is a close ally to Kenya compared with Japan.
Okay.
Mebwa.
Yeah.
Afenoma case na down for Panaken. Mebwa.
Yeah.
One Ken ne koneba. Wafa Ken say the BBA. But what I know, Afenoma case will be in a video.
Because of Ken.
Yes. That's what I make it. Unless something changes. Unless BBC.
Thank you. Oh, me Judy. Oh, me Judy. Who can throw that? Me say poor Baba Faken, no, Miss Mossa Mekazaken, who never can. Wouldn't him say, Asante Achim North, yes, MP, were independent. I know they are still convincing to come to the MPP. The guy is already A+, independent. Yes. Ken, I know MPP. Minim, I never Minim. I know Ken is talking to them to come to the MPP to put their loyalty to the New Patriotic Party. For Asante Achim North, I know for a fact. Guy is a Yamibum. Okay, from Pogis and Yamibum. A+ just a Yamibum.
That's what I make can see.
The can make party. The never can on.
Me say, a phenomenal case is sitting on the time bomb. The leadership, no, I will take it off, no. It's likely they will pick from him. 2. Nipa ba ko I say kere compare ko ja pon hen ye. Na can be say bi anko no good rapport hen ye pa is the current agric minister.
Bana Champo.
Telling you, me have facts meka, me de bia me bia me zuru meka. Shabla sisi. And Adam no kaso pe nipa ba ko a. Na me catch say Jabia so the eastern part. Okay, so me catch.
Yeah, okay, Jabi soba.
They should not joke with Brian Champo.
Or contest bi.
You contest can dia compare ko Japan. Yes, and Baumia. And they will also ban. Also, they are not. Now, one more person they want to put the leadership to change their family markings. Be up in Nipa New. Oh, Shaibu. Me so be up in Nipa New. Or be up in way through. No. And I say, they want to take total control and dominance of the party. Almost Kennedy is a no-nonsense person. He's a Kennedy able to take over. Kennedy take over as a flag bearer for the NPP. He has some things where so much me yet. But my Kennedy will take total control of the party. The Brian Champo Nyabri, the internal catcher say Jabi, every Eastern region hoba. Say Jano and Washi. Let's say Jano and easy. Now, Sabu, don't be surprised if you see confusion and chaos. Our NPP National Councillor. So what is them to call some year to 2 blows some money? Also, I'm telling you. I repeat again. Me so me come meeting on the 6th. They should come and tell me I'm lying. 6th, you know. Leadership, you know, who should be leader next man. They will start reconvene another meeting. That meeting, that will say a month for news of a comedy at Kufuado.
Satan will be Hanover.
That's what I make
or strike or command.
Then me catch or say. Jay Kufoko traffic and why Mobomeboa. Yeah, no Kufa. Na Kufa then watching. Be said to be a
so high man for Mocasamano.
Said Nano so per your moment to be over. Yes, and Nana and Wafa see the good intent on being telling you, I don't do with it. The way the national executives. Travel. Over say, Empire phobia no more MPP. National positions. Campaign, they don't have no idea about it. How the campaign was structured, no idea. Or a national executive. Now, also national council, what did they see? Let's say, Chabu, people are going to look straight into the eyes of people and tell them the truth. The end of position. Let's say, but on the 7th year, after 7 years, I'm a pool. I'm not president to be going. Franco, yes, a national council. You are also doing about who could do what? Sakufa the Penway and the crowd Austin. And a president you for Austin Sama. Yeah, Kodo, and Nipa more Quaco Casano. We must know we are so Franco the same TV. Yes, I person good must Pajao Sanova. Who can't hold a pen many force in them almost so Saku Wato. I about Tom. When you're okay, a reporter speech. They may be the I am media maker. Messi a trouble Kophobia. No, Pia Steven Tim Madame Tremoman should be the president. I have anything. That's a chairman. And a Kufado, so what Freddie Blee. And down for Freddie Blee. Mr. Really Kofuda, what 2017 week? Yeah. Saturday night, John Boyd, we are acting general secretary. Shabu, you could do what grounds will be in team, time or soon team. And a Kufado buy. Or buy a better so Casabu, even if it can be so labels of conservative. Won't say anyone what posters won't could have doors to change the pay. Hey, now there's adding a politics or Casabina Kufa Beccasabe 10. Or William Sakufa is with young government appointees in me a few hotel and I was lucky to work with one MC, was a Franco Yanko. Your core MC for it to a program appointees. And I could find to say, that's what I make a name say. I could find to say, so man, Trobanama Freddy Blair will revoke you be appointment. Hey, telling you as a brother. 2 million Ghana for their money. Also, the quack of private business. May say, Satam Kufu, no business into my navy. Or we meeting number 1. By not Biasa. Where you see government appointees do ye campaign openly. So I'm on trouble of my friend Billy. If Nippon or Cans answer me to say, I could follow. Remain Cans himself. Me, Namiado. Said the amount for big men in the MPP. I also have big men in the MPP. I go for almost big man, but big men. Big men in the MPP. Akufo radio pepa na se wo hunu ama ne fans ene opa kan kwasa se bia opebia e wo meeting so no wo ya adwe
SNPP National Council Akufo the favorite Opa peja wonsa
won sa nkofo na se ka wo ba na me champion shan
ado gaga
se bon kwaso da bi wo dia ye ne wanka ewu o sere
Akufo no wa ho National Council meeting Opa peja wonsa no wonsa enko kanya mi ani kura makado mu
ento no onya kowi na okeka ne nse bi opeso kan wi a do be ka bi o sai second no ya adwe shaibu mesi ensem ho. Now if you look at executives pa me catch us about campaign omunim ho hwiu campaign omunim no I touch up pro executive big men in the MPP resources on the yedma kranema. It has been captured by Santibi to the
because for a national treasure.
Yes.
Now the budget would be man some campaign at less than 100,000 Ghana cedis.
Treasure. That's that treasure how many? Treasure. In terms of scale of preference, treasure don't was it. Omo make come send me a 1 2 and young confront it. They don't know anything about the campaign of the MPP. They know nothing. Shabu, they know nothing. The beer kwa buy for Kabu. Papa ya wa kwa we figure face. Are you a fee? I buy for Kabu. Are you a fee? I buy for Kabu. Are you a fee? Sa,
ana me go frankly. Ana MPP National Council. Party hierarchy. Motima share Emma Dr. Laji Mamu bo me campaign. Yai prosecute ni say ya de ka na kwa akopem. Ana fe mo ba je kwa for the body word. At the time na driver ni no. Na ka ni nyampem man call emergency national council meeting anke ba be campaign ni kwana mwa na mo hwa me akura amne
Lasisi
and you want to blame Ken
Lasisi
Franco
then me catch you say go and check the NDC in terms of campaign see where they have placed Asidu Nketia. One, very influential, vibrant, they have faith and confidence within him. Whoever be MPP for this team in team Koshe.
You know Timotus. Oh, that video.
I no, I send me the see one more.
So, open the base video say, I end this for the Bonafa, night Sama, no free Bonocomun, Neso de Mutu, the number
my Timotus in the Murum. This is the MPP for you. Shabula Sisi,
Franco Data.
Don't be surprised if you see how Akumsi wants to be the woman organizer of the MPP.
And like a party no good.
And they may come as them.
Okay. So, can I
may come as them.
I must meet my chairman. So, can I meet my chairman?
Oh, and wait, much again. Don't be surprised. Every titles Glover is coming to be the national organizer.
Okay.
Don't be surprised. Don't be surprised if you see Chairman Wuntu wants to become the national chairman of the MPP.
Suicide. Oh, bro, for that, I'll say a recipe for the
disaster.
MPP go. Chairman Wuntu be the national chairman.
I repeat it. Me say, don't be surprised if you see Wuntu wants to become the national chairman of the new patriotic party. Don't be surprised.
Obi on the region from 70 call number 64 point something. I from a general.
Don't be surprised if you see Nanabi wants to become the general secretary.
Nanabi.
Hi,
okay.
Don't be surprised if you see Collins also contesting for organizer. Chief. Don't be surprised if you see Kwam Poku CID contesting for the national youth organizer. About regional, Memetri, when you say the public do a dear
Coca.
What di?
Coca de Wadi.
What di? Want to me, but want to be able to a bestman into my name. So want to have one to me, or you, or a tactician.
Yeah.
Why calculate the names of Jack? Back on contract and trackers. And no crown of Bulo Van is again a day by and bear way. Would they be dear grass and better me? So I want to go for the national chairman. Don't be surprised if you see Francois contesting as the secretary in the region.
From the organizer post to the secretary.
Don't be surprised if you see Ralph contesting as the regional organizer.
From the youth organizer.
From the youth organizer
to the organizing
to the regional organizer. Sanity. Now, Nipa ba kombe tuni ntam kra e abronye.
Bono chairman. Bono chairman.
Wazai.
Omutunu.
And me ho na me free, bono na me free. The worst chairman you ever been bring.
Musi aboro musi za. MP wo season.
One.
One.
The worst chairman ever. MPP for you and Sakano. I bring it.
Now boy a comedian na so dey.
Mezenema. Chab Mezenema. The all transit kicks people away. It do baby kasaba rough.
No, on this one I we go a problem.
Kasa rough. It tells you. So the new patriotic party is not the same NPP we are seeing today. They need factory settings. They need factory settings. Maybe a party nekekakono. They need people who can sacrifice and show commitment and dedication for the party. I'm telling you as a brother.
And the MPP say come on in can you. Kaban be good within 2 days.
Now what you also can do anti.
Ana onim. Yes say abobi.
Yes.
Obekawa no fia ontumo. Onim say afa ne yeba bu mo de party ko pu.
Oh na da bia me ka.
Oti etu so tie ne nkomodi na wo say omo nyina no empire bon no mo boti aba omia. Di ba omia ho dance say empire bon na mo boti aba. Ye ho sa video ne de em.
Enso die na si ye. Nini no me dia dance no way. First of all. I want to meet radio ni TV. It dance ni na wa hu mi obi. Ya pam me no. What pam? Kwame. What pam? Kwame, you pam me if you want to meet TV. You pam me sakoko. Me just here. Oh, the other chat from general manager no. You find a way bus.
Hey. Na we fu na ni a kire.
Why?
Me. Wo ba sha ne so a. Maybe one safo.
Yeah.
Mo kosompa.
Yeah.
Na mo koye ke no ayi.
Kensawa.
Ba minim yo tie to so tie wo hu ye. Na na bien se me no koye issue.
Yeah.
So he had issues with me. Was say me ma kwa kase. Oh no, baby abon the bread sika wanya na eba me na de man na yi and he felt pains within him. But me say ma bien yam say sa de ntira no problem.
No.
Me so ma bien koye me say. And maybe a show kase ba mu ba me international anthem. The anthem of the
NPP.
That video ni die. From big men of the NPP. They called me and they were having issues with it. Saying, we are trying to expose Mahmoud Bawumia too much.
Yeah.
Now they are going to call Kennedy a complex and tell him say he should call us to order and answer clearly. I make catch you say me kasa. I care less about Kennedy because he's a human. If I sit here, I speak the mindset of the people. And to Mr. Kennedy or Kofo Bass Krano, I was having issues with my bass. So okay, also can't see you. They said about your basses, who never found a transport. So David Falco on Ghana. Now I say, Bass next 3. And I put the 3. Intimate must start it. I put a grand cracken. David Bowman sprinted. Now we should baskets of sprinted. Tell you about me that put 3. That was a 3. It must start a transport business. Until Mr. Whom. Yes, no one. I mean, I'm not saying man commented. Who a friend of whom said no. One man issue in say is in a different camp. Different camp. But none amendment yes and say who different and with different camp. So what is the beef? We are all dealing with issues. And it should not be attacking of personalities, but we should attack the issue. But I don't know what TV channel will start doing. I don't know how people see it. And I mean, said a video. Oh, wow, nobody kept trying to understand no much as here. MPP, Franco, may God bless you. Continue doing this. God is watching it. So, maintain I say, and I'll tell you to issue. But I'll tell you to started the Bamian one dance.
When the Bamian dance,
me, I know him to be one person who was suspect for the new patriotic party.
Yeah,
and you know, because when we in position.
Yeah,
he was able to give us a lot of fillers.
Yeah,
cars are NDC for person almost a Sunday, maybe number plate. He will give you and give you the chances number.
Yeah,
and Pam Pam was not saying, okay. And not say, Odiba me one dance. Was any how on ya something you? Tasma make was say, ne how on ya in so car say, vote for Bamia and get Napo free.
Oh, won't you
TV outlet?
Won't you Naputia also?
Thank you. Was say. Or cars are some way, you know who's there, mobile manager, yes,
almost signal, commercial break.
Omukoba we no so and the bow. But you can't against no say you want to die. To any human being. Now, I want to establish a point for you. Then I catch you say, only 2% penny organic. Only 2% any organic. If the nan can it is even true. So vote for Bamia and get na po. And I can reach my mom when you are. What is the beef of wound to me?
So can say wound to me boy no heneba.
What is the beef?
Me pesati punaba.
What is the beef?
What is what kind? What say?
Yes.
Chama wound to me a original chairman. Na Baumia say open na po.
Thank you.
On na po beba omo ye adwuma me ahwe.
What say? John Kuma won no wu no. He didn't die a natural death. He was killed. Nensama Kenya was trying to label it to Napomo. Said Napomo na yede. Was in Napomo bufuenti. And ama Alan ama metie ayi.
Kofo.
Ko yabi eh friend. Wuntu who ka say wuntu.
Yeah, it should be.
Okay. Or part say now if you look at the friend wuntu me, he's inheriting enemies because of Reverend Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Yeah.
Na say no me Bawumia one dance today what has changed?
It's also in the Bawumia dance beam.
What has changed?
So mean ka Bawumia sempa.
Thank you.
I say Peter any Yesukuso. Was saying Yesukuso share for about me.
Where?
Minimum.
Wuntu me Efa Mahmoud Bawumia so one kasa ne dia. And the Sufa Samira Bawumia so one kasa ne dia. And wuntu me no afa president. Wuntu me 8 akwa kofa First lady. And bisa mu ho say campaign o mo ye influence ben original executives ni yae. Na nya tan say MPP focus o mo ye meeting. Chairman for your meeting na won't me wa end the meeting. What's it? Shall you ma men cancel we.
MPP region say o mo ye meeting.
O mo ye meeting. The original chairman is not there. The special institute the locals reading.
MP baby adu.
Shabu some ho.
And the party here complete overhaul.
Me say o where best atia ba kaka. So otetos na di kare ba kwa ba. And you see otetos asema woka no. I'll be surprised if Amprachum still continues to be a deputy minister for foreign affairs.
Na and I can't make this.
Was it Emfa?
I also had it.
Akufo want to hear.
There be.
Was Amprachum or non tia purpose to kwan ko US of A. And Amprachum so be give some man. And Amprachum gene $3,000. So uncle or corp say he fine for mu the invest abema no. Ade be chairman akọ no san first one for $2,000 in my account.
Then $5,000.
Then $5,000. Ono ka tell say masa. Me sa ask kan ni say scan bi. Na ye me ankasa kwara me mabọ no mo de se akwakonya say scan. And the shabula sis who tell papa na ka or part say Amprachum ka tell us for $2,000 and make money $5,000. And no be say many Kwame Tanko show Swano pay. Any afraid papa first of all so name by dia. A children Gomona no see I would no. Nescano crown one farm man or the more no papa na crab be a friend bright. Or tells us scano. Me buy a boo one Nakatam farmer bright. So do you know the what it means? Meaning is that Shabula Sisi Asuma Franco say Franco Mayadi, but he probably fight Yamabe, said a bear Samba massive as deputy minister.
Na me wo as deputy foreign affairs minister we MPP MPP need the Bawumia dance here party a untimi we na say
me say the party ba come to the MPP me county always I tell you majority of them think about their selfish interest to mobenya at the expense of the masses and omodwe ho and ye nyina ye tifie and pay for say the die che the peko na ote atuo so kwa wa fast wa brema Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia opo hire ba ko ye dina temo kroma e ote atuo so kokobe de seke
me kwa maka bia che
wa kika bia che no e ka se de ya wa sine ne council yusu nyina no e
me say delegates fusika.
Thank you. When it coming here the no
so no can be check
just because he was sacrificing for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now I'm pretty when you are na president Mahmoud Bawumia we no. So when you campaign Mahmoud Bawumia, how can Mahmoud Bawumia be president? And Mahmoud Bawumia was working with a lot of hypocrites. People who was thinking about their selfish interests, self-centered people. And I don't know. The meaning is that he's an incompetent deputy minister. And I mean, because if you cannot use your portfolio to help your own people, then what is your basis staying there?
About that, frankly, I mean, per revelations, Saudi National Council, ABC winner. Because the other party call opposition, but not rather, you can Japan.
Can me say, can dear? One more, the same one penny baby grant, one touch line. I feel a month for the cancer, Mukuma.
The other party call opposition,
and some month for the corruption, let me catch your tail to me. I don't believe in the Orano. Me, what's my catch? May say it a your own constitution as Anoman. But I dare the man, TV to say, if Senasma walk can and credit, I will provide a lot of evidence, dear mammy. He should put the man to Ura.
Uncle L. Prison for all loot.
It is an illegality.
Yeah.
As a deputy minister, you pick money before you help someone. You pick money before you help someone. And you're too dangerous. This is the NPP government. A government, was one year more than your moneda. Look at what the deputy minister is doing. Mr. Call be more than 20 to 30 minutes.
Hey.
And the minister cannot substantiate matter. When you check Chinese or the far, or the Namha the Kofa Kobabusia, and I'm who 2000 as American 2004. It's a substantive matter. Kwame Tanko sits a moment as on our way, dear Minipana, where they are Jimmy some a full.
So, frankly, back to a fake video. Franco, I didn't be see when I joined the Money Mahama campaign and all run on in this year. Cast or Monday campaign, Pickers be 2024, brand new. Or we that's some of the parliamentary candidates. Not the party in government. Muntin talk cast, no be the cast about moment goes.
Let's say, shall I see the best CBI. Mahmoud Bawumia, I feel pains for him. You know why? People around Bawumia thought they are going to win this kind of election with ease. With ease. While they were complacent, two they were selfish, self-centered. They think about Omono Dominion at the expense of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. What say they offer Kenya? We are just looking at Olikaro.
Yeah.
Then what is the liquidity?
Let's
say, you're 2 about on the 8th, and then on the 7th.
Yeah.
Around Ben 10, 11, with the TV so. No, Jack, I mean, one MPP headquarters on already because as a miracle by so Sibe Kasai, Mena Kwame to come to Kajam Zakaram Zabrazai. I'm not in position and your papa. I think Malusu. Now, I saw Malusu. Nanka Mo and Yanka Udome. The only person who was laughing was Fatima Bubaka.
He was trying to laugh.
Then I saw 3. And I'm so more Kwabanis Anumano. Then a call one day. No, see figures never and encouraging. Chabity,
a later part and encouraging.
And encouraging. It means to say, NPP for it be out the document.
See, couple Mushim guy will last me. For what him said,
what I last minute, Miss friend NPP penny back. I'm just Jack. Now, of course, was our friend coming, my dog. What's why then was my dad? I'm sad. I'm from Quasia from Phantom TV. Didn't catch him no. I'm from Quasia, some free pasonco. You discount Mamma from Mash and trade the major media, media intimate one. Mama Bama be chess can be a D. I'm a democracy more day, my year. Your co position of the ay. And you are some waba. Oh, why not pay movie after Franco? The nanny shall book catch an end of crapao. You will not see a year more. May say opposition to say woo. So, Robert Fawa. This is so. Opa Mobian can the papa we are and found. Now, who really not yet dawa? I said, Ace, my summer quite catching an can you say, Diablo? My yo, when we were preaching and telling the NPP the truth, the reality. Now, NPP for frequency media. Chabu, frequency media. To me, Fred, the general manager, frequency company what the point said, when you from conflict TV, so Franco pick us to opposition. Let do baby. Nam pay for it now. Can't get that beer. Mamma saw Kwame Monabaso. Canada Japon. Those I'm not working with him anymore. But that man, my love for him, I can never underestimate it. Chabu, he is the only person, Obeka Franco. Dina Sona Mini Pane Cassati. Who will be sending across a Franco Dini Panatamana, Debbie. What can you born here, Panana, Debbie? Nancy, now, what can is it good or not? Is it constructive? Then so. If it is constructive, what is your problem?
Yes, is in
Chabu, the Macomuno. Men can't tell that. Every Thursday, Friday, you know, I'm in a crap. I'm preaching that me come crow.
Actually, no, my generous of a crown bonnet. And no music, dear. The common my opportunity. That main problem say when was the first time I be an MP before by I say Shai Buni Franco. More information, him. How can we remedy problems there about? They
were too egoistic, egoism, arrogance. They feel and think say it is over for them. They can break the age. They catch out them. They lost the election way back in 2022, 2023. Then I know Kasa when you say they should not joke with John Dramani Mama. Because if you joke with Mama, Shabu, if you joke with Mama, you laugh at the wrong side of your mouth. Mama class, I'm sure. If you look at these elections, Mama votes when you're the Canadian who likes and no last for and no. But now MPP for winning paying. MPP winning paying. You can't person by show winning crowd.
Frankly, sir, acknowledge the crowd man for you say. Mama votes or to me keep or more or that. Franco. Enti omo moto abama NDC for. Ebi ntukwa. Ebi atuokwa ebi unwi. Maybe I be cast about your starting from zero. Yes, from zero. But maybe that is how we are going to say it. Shabra Sisi, Mamin Kassam Chro. NPP no more say, men are catch no. One, no more Mujina some Dr. Mahmoud Bamian has gone against them. How? One almost a Muslim. Mewa. So the Islam people are going to vote for him. Nano Nami Bisase, walk at a presby. Mastering church in better and papa and Yadi Papa. Thank you. Mahmoud Bamian Kone Kamuni of a catch us or bar. I dear my man for your betting or nobody here from a man for a bet. Yeah. He's fighting against his own cardinal principle in terms of Islam. Mahmoud Bamian cost a bit my catches or a Paul Gudam. Now Bank of Ghana the $12 million Abasi and Fanya. Now make us all and a better one. Now for Mako Pimo, not done a white elephant. Mahmoud Bamian about catch us the fundamentals are weak. SNU to expose you. Now a basa. Mahmoud Bamian quite $1 about cost 17 Ghana cities. So this kind of stuff them more. The office. Who we are more. I could find them to swap more about me. Akufado edu me nipa da bia me ka asem to obi petumi a obi pe e person hu nipa ya man 2 minutes can you see the rabbi and the true nature of the person when mo Akufado the video bi maybe was say mama aka che say won na wo stress okay me koso asre me pama chaw mon toba mame na me yo man pa na metimi aboa sa no de dai Akufado be the president Akufado nkwane timi kase wo hu ohene bi wo hena asore anchia no and is having issues with him sa na no na me checks di sa yes wo hene kwa no ntiapo ohene no yes no ntiapo but the love he has for Akufado and omo yes na na ye do beba entu de duru ho a ye me mo na chia wo se empo wontia se ne ntia nipa na ansore a de benti na akotena ase no wonya empirical research and ask the reason why ohene na nyere amba wonya buafu wonya se ye bo national anthem or he be 8 years course or he be yet wafu. Yeah. As to my tell me, Henry Cote, and my record of catchers, I don't know when a sunny fast one and yet. Akufado was Sinuba, Neba, on one bow. Yeah, Neba. Ye born national anthem, Banny, your call. Eggs and Nepa Panchayo. 1 year not double standard and hypocrisy. 1 year no anchary. Now Akufado Mamu and quality 7 interchanges our crack. Jabu. 7 interchanges our cry. Baby, a mouth voice in 1 see back. Just not make a tone. That's an MPP for a smarter. Me, there be a mecha. Sad and consider telling me who fast will be also. Coming to him. And that's why I did. Exactly, Mutin. Maybe, my Miss Wasson. If you look at Kumasia and our Santa region, especially Kumasi Metropolis, whether we like it or not, it becomes an in between way for people from greater Accra and other areas. They pass here. Kafi Burkina Faso. Now so Baba Fana so Kwaku no Mubi was abana interchange. On façon so befa. Se an fare so obi free semu ba enyo no befa. Obi so free aka court se enyo no befa. Enti we dey. Would me see interchanges ma kuma ko 7. 7 no. And the minister and then Mpayinfo cannot even mention 5 signature projects in Ashanti region. Chabu, who tell you of a cake can o ma me yaduma bia o. A showing of power and arrogance. And a course. Except for be amfa. That's what can be. That's what can be. Meso penkofa who from what to the rate me home. Says uncle for a pank and can say a moment to position. About 1,000 years. Yes, is and I can. Me say, Mammy Cassam show. Hey, already. Me go home maybe. And about we catch him so position in Lancaster. My community would be in Comosia Franco. Now, Mr. Way vibrant, a man full Mr. Boame. I'm on Pacro.
What catch them say nyame adom na so mo weni abani wie shabuti o mo weni abani wie be sesa ne number no ntino sa number we na me fa mfre no
Omo weni yo be sesa number o weni yo be sesa number.
I'm telling you me mo bi ane ma ne kra fa no me me ne phone ni na phone ni madu and your man na so your man kasa ne phone come up be friend na maybe bibi no sa dem problem no dey on one na ye ne ma me na ne ma me friend into another problem no dey me so to be fro bi ni pa ni pa on fa phone Canadians over penny skill, over skill, every any pan information your day, ma'am.
Yo, it for Winnie and Summer Abeto. Yep, so Mikao says, so we now subscribe to channel here. Bomodia say, over subscribe. As I had here latest and hot news. And qua era Bremo. I feel we are now like video. No, give us a thumbs up. Now, fee share my for so now when you be here. Now, who and somewhere also, ever Ghana memoha. Also, between actually watching a fire and somewhere in our ever comment box in Mobati Minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.